Hi guys, we are starting our e-commerce app series with Flutter. In this series, we will build e-commerce app with all its features like adding product to cart, purchasing the product, delivery, and everything that the e-commerce can have. And our e-commerce app will run on both Android and web. Because we are using Flutter, we can run iOS as well. So if you are a Mac user, you can run on. So let's get started. We are using Firebase as our database. So let's integrate our Firebase with our Android app. So let's open Firebase console, and now inside this create a project by add project and type the name and click continue. After this, you will get a window like this. Click on your project you already created and then hit on add app and select Android. For package name, click on project window and inside the app Android folder and inside app folder you will get a build.gradle and here it's your package name. Copy this and paste it here. Type the name of your application. We will add the SSH certificate later. So just click register app and wait for a second and then download the Google JSON services. After this, click on show in folder and copy this JSON file and inside app folder click reveal in file explorer and go to app folder and paste it here. Make sure the name should be only Google services and hit save. After this, move on to the next and add a class path dependency. For class path dependency, we will add the class path dependency inside build.gradle and here we will add the class path dependency and hit save. After this, check whether Google is available in both all project repositories. So cross check that. Hit on build.gradle and check whether Google is enabled. After this, copy the apply plugin code and paste it inside the build.gradle app module. Here, paste it here, and now we are done. So let's run and see whether we get an error or the steps are successfully completed. So let's hit F5 to run the app and wait for a second. Make sure you created the Firestore database and you enabled the storage as well. And now come to authentication tab and click on sign in method and add the sign in providers. So first we will use email and password method. Hit on save and then add new provider. We will use Google as well. So click on enable and inside this click save. Inside this you will get a project public facing name and the email. So enter the public facing name and the email and hit save. Leave it, we will do this later. So just right now do done and add new provider. We will use phone for this purpose, phone. So click enable And when we authenticate, when we make a sign-in authentication, then we will use this information when we will complete this steps like adding to Android and web. So let's hit save, and now we have added 3 providers for our authentication in Firebase, in authentication in Android app, in e-commerce app. So let's see whether our app works or not, and see whether it is working or not. So now our app is working fine. So in this way we can implement Firebase with Android. In next video we will implement our Firebase app with Firebase, with our e-commerce web app with Firebase. Thanks for watching.